probability is really common on standardized tests. So like anything related to like stats, probability, stuff like that is getting more and more common on tests. So generally the hardest they're going to make it is the probability of two successive things happening. When you want to guess the probability of one thing happening and then like a second thing happening, you take the individual probabilities, right, which is, for this one, we have a six-sided die, right, and it has its own distinct number between 1 and 6. If you're going to roll the die twice, what's the probability of both being 3? So if the numbers are 1 through 6 on a die, right, the probability of it being 3 is 1 out of 6, because only one of those numbers is 3, and we have a total of 6, right? Roll it again, getting a 3 is not going to change, right? It's not like it's a deck of cards and we've removed a card, right? So they're both going to be 1/6. And so this probability of one thing happening and then a second thing, you take your individual probabilities and you multiply. This is really important, right? So you multiply them. So I'm going to multiply my two individual, 1/6 times 1/6, and that is going to be 1 over 6 times 6 is 36. Answer choice D.